What's up guys? Kumusta po? Ako si Jer Corsayo and it's an honor and privilege po na marinig ang kanta ni Ate Hazel, you know, a big sister of mine, and we're gonna react and here we go. Alright. Okay. Sheesh. Okay. Yes. Fire, fire, fire. Sheesh. Pwede siyang pang OST. You know what I'm saying? The funk is there. You know what I'm saying? Ate Hazel to eh. So, laging merong ano yung lyrics ito. May catch to, man. May storytelling, you know. So, nagbagong ihip ng hangin. Okay, what happened? Sa wakas, nasa tamang kilig na ako. Okay, alright. Kilig na. Kilig, 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 kilig. I love it. Fire. Kilala ko si Ate Hazel. I know her story. You know, like from the mainstream, she became famous and then she's meeting God, you know. So, pwede ba magganito, Ate Hazel? Like, in her songs, you see the evolution of her walk with God and who she is becoming as a person, no? So, I think Kinikilig-Kilig is the peak of her fame in the mainstream. And now, tamang kilig, no? So, oh my God, fire kung paano siya umano kay Kuya Caleb. And I think how God orchestrated it. I'm just halfway. Ang dami ko na naiisip. Good quality yung lyrics, yung musicians and all, yung kung ano man yun. But I'm more also of a lyrics guy, yung storytelling, no? So, I love it. It's true. Kilig, kilig, kilig. Walang katumbas. Woo! Kuya Caleb, you're the guy! Woo! Tamang kilig na ako. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! Sa tamang kilig na yan, you gotta let God, baby! Punta! Woo! Modern siya, modern. You know what I'm saying? But nandun din yung ano kasi yun yung lumang ano? Listen! You gotta listen to the lyrics. You know what I'm saying? This is the message, man. You gotta let God write the story of your life, your career, your love life, everything, man. So, di masama yung kiligin, no? Dapat nasa tama lang siya. I told you! Fire! Sa daming maling kilig na naranasan ko, sa wakas, nasa... It's fire! That's fire! You know? And this is what I love, no? Iba yung pag-talented yung musician. And, di ba? Good skill, good talent would attract people. But, the message you bring, authenticity, storya mo yan, that's what opens the hearts of the people. Diba? Kung magaling ka, you attract a lot of ears. But when you have a message, your real message, you attract and open a lot of hearts. So, di ba? May pa-preaching tayo dito. I love it. Nasa tamang kilig na si Ate Hazel. Ayokong istorboyin yung kilig niya. Tamang-tama! Tamang-tama! I love that. Sulit lahat ng palya kung sa'yo lang din pala mo. Lahat ng pagkakamali at heartbroken moments mo dati, yun yung mga North Stars ni God para dalhin ka doon sa para sa'yo. What? What? This stuff is real, man. You gotta... That's what it amazes me. Lahat ng mga broke pagkakamali mo dati, kaya ayusin ni God, man. At yun pa yung way niya. Para dalhin ka. Kilig, 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 kilig. Tamang kilig, 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 kilig. I love it! May napapaganyan ka, but it gives you hope. Hindi mo alam kung anong pakiramdam mo eh. Ate Hazel, wala akong masabi, but God is with you in this one. You know what I'm saying? Tamang kilig, tama na rin ang aking bibig. I gotta stop. Praise God. Praise God. Sheesh. That's crazy. Tamang kilig. Woo! Tamang kilig, kilig, kilig.